안녕하세요. Today we're gonna go and try Korean food. It's a family-owned restaurant and a very family-style cooking. I think it's kind of like a hole-in-the-wall place. So let's go check it out. I've been there. It's actually one of my favorite places to go. So here's what I got, the bibimbap. What I have done here is that you mix those rice with all the contents of that bowl. You have the mushrooms, the egg, the vegetables, and you drizzle this spicy Korean sauce. I think it's gochujang. And I also have brought my water bottle. So this is a good tip. If you are going to this restaurant, bring your own water bottle because they give you a itty bitty water cup. You can see all this rice mixed together with all the content. Here's the shiitake mushroom. I don't know what vegetable that is, but it's like kind of like a spinach, I think. And you have the beef, and you just have the carrots there. Also bean sprouts. You mix this all together with all that juicy sauce that they give you. It just binds so perfectly, and you have that spicy content of this bowl. And here we go. We picked up one of the beef here for you to look at and savor that image. And now I will be trying to devour this beef if I can work with my chopstick here. I think I am slightly struggling with chopstick. No, there we go. We had a little help with the spoon. You know, with the Koreans, they give you this really long spoon. Part of their culture is they eat with their chopsticks and spoon. Now, I am trying to be more Korean as I can be, using that long spoon, that long metallic spoon that they give me. And also, here we go. We are using our chopsticks too, showing our chopstick skills. Now, we were eating that bean sprout. It has all this fresh taste. This bowl is full of fresh content. It's delicious. You really get that earthy taste from that shiitake mushroom. And now I'm adding more and more of this sauce that they gave us. I kind of wish there is more sauce for me to use. And I almost forgot, there is egg also on top of that, a sunny side up egg, and you must break it apart and put that egg lava all over that bowl and just binds it with the spicy gochujang sauce. And oh my goodness, it is tremendously delicious. Earthy, spicy, fresh flavor. Bibimbap.
Ah, we're done. Food coma right now. Oh my goodness, it was delicious. Oh man, every time I go to there, the consistency of the food is just on point. I love that place. Now, I want to say, guys, I gotta go. 감사합니다. Pigzout.